Folks, right, I'm just testing both my cameras for sound for this weekend, right? So I'm also testing my Canon m50, which is on the left for sound, because I've got a Rode microphone on top of that with a black lead into it, the curly one. And then also on my Canon 700D, I've got another Rode mic, which is the same on the m50, but also with like a red curly lead into it. But they're both kind of similar leads. So I'm also just doing a bit of sound check, alright. Ain't nothing but hound dog, chrono time, and hound dog, chrono time. He got over because he ain't no friend of mine. As a high class, high class, chrono time. High class crying all the time. Ain't no people hound dog, run all the time. Ain't no hound dog, run all the time. Ain't no ain't no friend of mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah! Long was the silver coming, long was the body coming, long was the silver coming. Oh, was the same brother coming? Oh, was the same brother coming? Oh, was the same brother coming? La la la, 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 oh, was the same brother coming? All I was to see everybody coming. La 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 la. All I was to see everybody coming. All I was to see everybody coming. All I was to see everybody coming. La 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 la. All I was somebody coming. All I was somebody coming. Oh yeah. And today now, folks, it's raining, and we all hate fucking rain. It's shit. So yeah. And cheers. So folks, that is obviously a sound check on both my Canon m50, which is this on the left, and my Canon 70D, this one on the right, for this weekend, because this weekend is a very busy weekend. Like Time Bar 39, the band on, I forgot the called. Oh yeah, Black Friday, the Dan Steely band and Dan Steely and the Black Friday band. Then tomorrow Sunday, well, from 6 in the morning, there's also somebody playing, as a bagpiper playing at Dawn Energy Centre, and then later on that evening there's like all sorts on in town, and then afternoon there's stuff on at Crown Pub in Darwen, that live music and that, and Tug of War. And then also, apparently, there's live music on at Summers Records with Tabitha Shaw and Ben Curtin. There's also oh, we call it, there's one of these big like flame things being lit in downtown centre at 7 night. So and also tomorrow is like it's 100 years since World War One, so it's like an Armistice Day. So literally tomorrow in Darwen, there's loads on from 6 in the morning till 10, 11 o'clock at night. So happy days! Oh, happy days! So anyway, folks, over and out, woohoo, wee, over and out.